Hi, I'm Tom from Iowa State University Extension Outreach. Knives are very important tools when we're cooking, but it's important that we use them safely. It's important that we select knives that we feel comfortable using. Paring knives are great for small things such as strawberries and a lot of that small detailed work, whereas chef knives are good for large fruits and vegetables, cuts of meat, and a lot of other things. They're available in a variety of sizes, so typically you're going to see a 8-inch chef knife, but they're also available in 10-inch or 6-inch, so pick the size that makes sense for your hand. It's important that we think about the word safety when we are using a knife in the kitchen. The first thing is securely hold your knife. Too often people are holding their knife too far back and using their thumb. This can be very hard on your wrist, and also you have a lack of control. So it's important to hold your knife up near the hilt. You have a lot more strength and control. It's important that we anchor our cutting board. If we don't anchor our cutting board, they tend to slide around a lot, which can create unpredictability, and you're more likely to cut yourself. So a quick tip is to use a damp cloth towel or paper towel and put it underneath your cutting board, which anchors it and holds it in place. Fingertips should be curled back. So when we are cutting, we want to make sure that we're not accidentally cutting ourselves, so we are going to use the claw method. So when we're chopping, we're keeping our fingers out of the way. Eyes on your knife. It's very important that we are watching what we are doing. There can be a lot of distractions when we're cooking, and so we need to make sure that we are paying attention to the knife. Take your time. There's no need to rush. It's really important that we stay safe when we're working in the kitchen. And yield to falling knives. Sometimes it can be very tempting to try and catch something as it falls, but it's really important that if a knife falls, we get back, let it fall, and we don't attempt to try and catch it. It's also suggested to use closed-toed shoes when we're in the kitchen. Remember to use knives safely, and happy cooking!